When you purchase DranXperT, you get the hard plastic case, the DranXperT meter, voltage cables, voltage clips, a power supply, and a local line cord for your country, in addition to any CTs that you may have purchased. DranXperT is available in two models, one without sensors, one with sensors. The model with sensors has a connector for 4 analog inputs and 2 digital inputs, in addition to a connection for an external GPS antenna for time synchronization and location. DranXperT has 3 primary areas for control. The front panel has a power button, a monitoring on-off button, status LEDs to indicate the status of your monitoring survey. This panel over here has 3 voltage inputs, phase A, phase B, phase C, and then your neutral reference connection, as well as 4 current inputs, phase A, B, C, and neutral currents. The opposite panel, and we're showing the version with the optional sensor inputs, have a standard USB connection, Ethernet connection, power supply input, safety ground lug, and again with the optional sensor inputs, you get 4 analog inputs, 2 digital inputs, as well as a GPS for time reference.